Hello guys, today very quick tutorial about square Psytrance bassline. So let's have a look. Okay, so let's get new instance of Serum, and I will copy my pre-made MIDI patterns, and please rewrite them and try by yourself and on exactly same notes. So let's turn it off. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to choose the waveform. So go to the analog section and choose basic shapes. Go to the wavetable position 4, and we have square wave. Put octave down, turn off the filter. Let's map envelope 2 to a cutoff, and let's take cutoff bit down to about 150 Hertz. Now let's keep decay quite long like this, and sustain about here, like about 50%. Now what is important in this sound is mono and legato. We have to turn it on, excuse me. So let's check it. And another thing is this knob portamento. So you have to tweak it for the result you're looking for. For this sound, I recommend about 50 milliseconds. For this bassline, this is like a progressive, kind of progressive bassline. You have to use quite longer decay, so it will sound much like a fatter, like bigger. Why legato and mono is important in this sound? Look at this. And now so now we have very smooth transition between one note and another one. Okay, so let's go to another MIDI. Just please write in your DAW same notes as I did. can map also cutoff and decay here in Ableton, so you can change your settings, your values just here, so it will be quicker. Let's try with the rest of the track. Okay, it's already sounding very nice. Okay, and last one. So do the same as I said before, just rewrite them and try by yourself. So this one is like faster, has shorter notes, so it needs also a bit less envelope decay. This bassline doesn't need much more processing, just eventually LFO tool, for example, or compressor, and do some little sidechain. Okay, also if you don't like this wavetable, you can choose also from basic MIDI, you can go for this wave table. It's also sounding good. And another one from analog section, BSOD square. This one is also very nice. Okay, that's it from me. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel, check out my Facebook page, my SoundCloud, and stay tuned for another videos. Take care and bye.